Hey friends, this is our chicken bread. It's you can find it on Creative Cakes and more. Just watch it, how soft it is. We also take bulk order from our store. For any party orders, we are also available. Thank you for watching.